Alright, so here we go. I'm unboxing this. See what it is. Alright, I think y'all see that. I'm excited. I got one of these on my truck. Not the Rev-x, but an SCT-X4. And it made a nice difference. Let's see what we got here. I'm sure plenty of people have done this. Oh, gotta cut stuff. See, I think we're all good. Yep, there we go. Get some, okay, I'm gonna have to unplug that. That's getting annoying. Cloud cam was going off. I got that for Amazon key deliveries. Quick start guide probably. Yep. Reading vehicle information, all that good stuff. Let's see what's in here. Okay, that looks pretty cool. Looks a lot nicer than my the one from my truck. Yeah, it should work. Bama performance. So we're probably gonna have some data cables in here and stuff. For now. I know I get a better angle. Yeah, that was cool. Yes, my plug. I believe. Look at that. See what happens. Hello. There. That's not so good, is it? Alright. Well, you really can't see that very good at all. I had to write a couple of best. There it is. He's gonna force us. Turn key on. Right, so we're connected. Okay. Verifying supporting vehicle. God, that is a terrible picture though. Let's see what it says. This really might take a while. Holy moly. $17 updates, holy moly. That's a lot. Hey, should we do? That's one part. I'm pretty much too. Maybe insulating my garage doors. So I'm actually extremely excited about that. It's hot in here in the garage. You'll growl. 17, I'll take one flippers. It's a good idea. Oh no. Congratulations, blah blah blah. Let's see what else. Part of LC. Firmware updating. Once complete, your restart, please wait. MCT. Restarting. There, we got it. Restarting and upgrading firmware, going down. Do it. Definitely have to see this video. Holy crap. Reboot. Okay, update complete. Internet required. Continue. Verifying supporting files for vehicle. And looks like it's